Hi guys, welcome back on Tech Aid. We are providing you practical solutions to your problems, whether it's a simple hack or a step-by-step guide. We have got you covered. In this video, I will gonna show you that how to see your Facebook password if you forget it. First of all, you can open the Facebook application. I can already open the app. After opening the app, you can just simply do the few things. You can just simply go to the passwords in your mobile, and here you will just simply search Facebook. If you save the Facebook password, you can see the Facebook password here. In my case, I cannot save my Facebook password, so you can go back to the Facebook app, and here you can just simply now tap on login, and after this you can just simply enter the mobile number or password if do you remember. If do not remember the password, you can just simply tap on forgotten password, and after a few seconds of loading, you can just simply enter the mobile number that the Facebook will send the code and OTP, and you can search by email address also. And after this, you can just simply click on the link and enter the OTP. The page will open to set a new password. You can just simply set a new password, and you can see your Facebook password if you forget it. If you want to keep your online activity private and access to restricted contents like I do, trying using a VPN. It's secure, easy to use, and makes a browsing safer. The link to buy is in the description below. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more practical solutions. Got questions or need extra help, drop a comment below and we will be happy to assist. See you in the next one. Thanks for watching.